how to make a quick website for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can create a similar website looking just like this for totally free. So let's get right into it. Simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then type in Zoho site just like this one, then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Zoho. And when you click on it, it will bring you right here to their website. Okay, so from the website, when you look here, it says sign up for free, and then come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you have to create an account. Okay, so to create an account, you have to choose a free trial. Okay, so with this, you pay $0. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your email address, your password, your phone number is not compulsory, you can leave it, and then simply come and then check the box to agree to their terms of services. Okay, and then come and then click on start your free trial. Beside that one, you can log in directly to your account by simply going with Google or LinkedIn. Okay, so just pick any of them, and then the next thing you have to do is simply come and then choose your website name. So under it, you see that you have this box, come and then enter the name. So I'm simply going to go with blogging tools business news just like this one, and then after that, what you have to do is simply come and then pick a website category. Okay, you can select any of these, it depends on you, but I'm simply going to go with the default one, which is the general, but you can pick any. Okay, and then simply come down here to where it says choose a template, but before then come and then read their terms of services before you come and then click on choose a template. So after that, you have to come and then choose a template by simply scrolling through. Okay, so when you scroll through and then you see the one that you really like, you have to simply come and then choose that one. So I like this one. I'm simply going to click on customize to customize it and then make it as my own. And then we have ways that you can customize it. You have to pick a color. Okay, so we have the color, we have the font, we have the header, then we have the banner. Okay, so let's start with the color first. So we have all these colors that you can select. Okay, so I'm simply going to go with the default one, which I like that one. Beside that one too, you can simply come and then pick a font. Okay, so from here it says pick a set of fonts. You can choose any font that you want, but I'm simply going to go with the default font just like this one. And then beside that one too, let's scroll down, and then you see that we have pick a header and then a banner style. Okay, so you can come and then select any header that you want, but I'm going to go with the default header. And then you can also come and then select the banner that you want. So the banner style, you can choose any of them, but I'm simply going to go with the default one. When you are done, simply come and then click on the finish. So let's click on the finish, and then all that you have to do is simply wait for your site to be built for you. So as you can see, sit tight and then wait for the website to be built for you. So whilst you are waiting, what you have to do is that you have to verify your email address. Okay, so from your inbox, you will see this confirmation message. Come and then click on it, and then you will see that it says that thank you for signing up with them. And then to verify your account, all that you have to do is simply come here to confirm account and then click on it. So when you click on it, it says that come and then verify your email address. Okay, so to do it, simply come to the verify and then click on it. And then as you can see, account has been verified successfully. So let's click on access account, and then it will bring you right here to your dashboard. Okay, so from here you will see that we have my site here. Okay, so the site that we have built, you will see the name here as well. So this is the name, but we have not published it yet, so we have to publish our site. So to publish it, just come and then select it by clicking on it. And then from here, you see that at the top left hand corner where we have the site, we have the dashboard, the page, the files, the blog, the forms. We have customization as well. You can come and then choose a different template, and then we have the visual editor and code as well. Okay, so in order to publish it, all that you have to do is simply come and first edit the site by clicking on edit site. Okay, so when you click on it, you have to come and then edit it to your preference. Okay, the first thing is the site logo. So when you come and then you put the mouse on it and then you click on it, you see that it says change logo. You can come and then change it. You can change the letters, everything. Make sure that you customize it to fit your preference. You can change any text. You can click on the copy or add element to change anything. Okay, So beside that one, you have your edit page info here, and then you have your visual editor here as well. When you scroll down, you can change the images, you can change everything from top to bottom and then make it totally yours. Okay, it is your website. You can change anything that you see right here. When you scroll down to, you can also come and then edit the footer as well, and then customize it to meet your preference. So when you are done there, you can come and then click on the publish. By clicking on it, and then your website will be published. The next thing is that you need a domain, okay, and then they are providing you with a free domain, okay, that is called a subdomain. All that you have to do is simply come and then put in the name that you prefer here. So I'm going to call it Blogging Tools Plus, and as you can see, the subdomain is available and it is going to be added to this, okay. And all that you have to do is simply come and then click on publish, and when you click on the publish, you will see that your website URL is here. What I have to do is simply click on it and you will be logged into your website. It is so simple and easy. So like the video and then see you in my next video.